Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Holded Action Automation for Workflow. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Market, search for the app and click on it. Then click on Install to choose an account where you want to install in. And click on Continue, click on Allow and Install. The custom menu link page is going to pop up. Copy the custom menu link. Head to Settings. Search for custom menu links and click on it. Then click on Create New. Insert an icon. Give a type. Then paste the custom menu link here. Choose a sidebar preference and choose an account. Then you give a role-based visibility and you save. Once you're done with the custom menu link creation, switch to the account, search for the custom menu link, and you're going to see all the available apps right in here. Then you search for the app itself and you click on Connect to connect the app. The second interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features, such as the documentation. Everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to walk you through how to configure your app. We have the setup feature. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup to see the requirements. You need an API key to configure your app. Let's head to the account which we've created online. Click on your profile, then Settings. Head to More and click on it. Click on Developers. Then click on New API Key. You give a sample description name. Then you save. Copy your API key, head back to your account, and paste. Click on Complete Setup, and your app will be successfully connected and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call with the support team. We have the changelog feature that is going to track updates and improvements on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.